Hey everyone, myself Anmadesh here, and in today's video we are gonna build this amazing 3D website using Three.js. And in today's video you're gonna learn all the basic knowledge required you to build this amazing 3D models portfolio which you can use to implement in your own website, or you can create a separate another one like in e-commerce or any other things, since it's the time of 3D web 3.0 and all the stuff. So why not implement all these 3D models using which are created from Blender, and you can download it using Sketchfab. Sketchfab is an amazing website which you are gonna learn further in the upcoming videos. Also, an important thing is that this video is an ASMR video, which means I aren't gonna talk. Instead, I will code with you and you are going to code along with me. I will make sure that all the important steps are covered in the video, but I know the importance of explaining things while coding, but unfortunately my laptop doesn't allow me to do so. So I hope you understand. Yeah, but if I cross 1K, I'm gonna definitely increase the video quality as further in the videos. Okay, so I highly apologize for not for making this an ASMR video, but the videos are gonna be like ASMR which are lengthy, which if I'm making some small component or something, I will try to explain it further in the video itself, but for now stick with it. And also all the links are in the description, and day by day we are gonna work on each component. On each component you are gonna work along with me. Okay, I'm gonna upload every video every day on every component, that is either navbar, hero, testimonial, project, work experience, and the contact form. Okay, and in this video you're gonna learn about React plus Vue.js, Redux toolkit, Framer-Motion, Three.js, and Tailwind Css for styling. So without wasting any time, let's show you the project. So this is the project on which you are gonna work. This all the 3D models you are gonna download from in the upcoming videos, which I already told you. Okay, and all the links are also in the description. Either you can use mine or you can download from the website and you just can exchange it. Okay, so this is the project on which you are gonna work along with me, and you can see my work experience and this navbar, hero section, model, everything. Okay, so see ya, have a good day and bye.